What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can get your Dodge Challenger open and charge the battery if the battery in the vehicle dies. This will also apply if the battery in our fob dies. So in either one of those scenarios, if the battery is dead in the fob or if it's dead in the vehicle, you will not be able to use the doors. We're going to be doing it on a 2019 Challenger in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So how we're going to get into our Challenger in either one of those scenarios with the dead battery is we're going to use the emergency key that's in our key fob. We're going to get that out by pressing this release on the back, and the key will slide out like that. And then we'll use that key in the driver's door. And the battery in this vehicle isn't actually dead, but I'm just going to go through the demonstration. So after you open the door, you'll go in. If your key fob's dead and you need to know how to start the vehicle with a dead key fob, we've done that in a separate video, and I'll put a link to that video in the description box of this video. But if we need to charge our battery, there's a few more steps that we need to do. And the battery is actually located in the trunk, but we're going to start under the hood in the front. So if we go in our vehicle, we can just go ahead and use this hood release, as this is not electric, but the trunk release is. So once we have the hood popped, let's go take a look under there. So once we have our hood open, we're going to take a look at the passenger side. And this is where we're going to hook on to jumpstart or charge the vehicle. Under this cap is going to be the positive terminal where the red will hook up. And this piece right here is going to be the negative terminal where the black will hook up. So that's where you'll jumpstart or charge the battery. Once your car has power again, you'll be able to use the trunk release button so you can get to the battery that's located in the trunk. The next thing we're going to look at is how you can get access to the trunk if you're unable to jump your battery, if your vehicle is completely dead, and once you get in it, the electric trunk release won't work. So we're going to take a look at how we can just get into the trunk. So in order to get direct access to the trunk with the dead battery, you'll open the driver's door using the emergency key that we looked at in the beginning of this video. Then we need to go to the back seat, behind the driver's seat. And you want to pull on this loop right here, and that's going to allow this half of the back seat to fold down. And once you have the back seat down, you'll need to crawl into the trunk. And once you're in the trunk, you'll pull this emergency release right here. Pull that and it pops it. Pull that with one hand, and then you'll push up on the trunk with the other hand, and that'll open the trunk. And once the trunk's open, if we go in here and pull up on that loop right there, it'll expose the storage compartment, and then the battery is right there. So that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.